How to use your everyday rewards card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can use your everyday rewards card. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to use your everyday rewards card, all you have to do is you'll have to add your card to the Google Pay or the Google Wallet, and you don't have to carry around your card or anymore. All you can do is you can simply scan using your Google Pay and you pay with everyday rewards using your Google Pay. Now how you can add your everyday rewards card to Google Pay. Right now it's quite simple. First you want to open up your everyday rewards and you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, at the home page you shall get an interface like this. At the right hand side of the screen beside the fuel vouchers, you can see the option there that says So Card. Right, all you have to do is you'll have to tap on the option there that says So Card, and once you tap on So Card, you'll find the option that says Add to Google Wallet. Simply tap on it and it'll ask you to confirm that you want to add to Google Wallet, and once you do so, you'll be added to Google Wallet, and now you can use your Google Wallet to make the payments and use the everyday rewards card. So this way you can use everyday rewards card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.